Chapter 2 Living World and Classification of Microbes. Question and answer. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5a. Question 5b. Question 5c. Question 5d. Question 6. Question 7, A, B and C. Question 8. Project number 1. Prepare a chart showing infectious bacteria and the diseases caused by them. Number 2. Visit a nearby pathology lab. Get the information about pathogenic microbes, method to observe them, different microscopes from the technicians there. So here we have done. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you soon.